Hello, my name is Divyang Nudaria and welcome to our final project of course CST 8916 of remote data and real-time application. In this final project, we have been given to build a system that monitors the ice condition automatically and in real time. So before in this application, we have three different locations. One is Dow's Lake, one is Fifth Avenue, and one is NSE. And we need live data of ice thickness, surface temperature, snow, and temperature of outside area from this application. So before I start my presentation, I would like to start my application on our VS Code because our application sends data after every 5 minutes. So when at the time when we open our website, like open our Azure App Service application, then we can able to see our data. So I will walk through to the code everything, but yeah, as you can see that our application has started running. It is sending all data to our Cosmos DB. Uh, so first, I will walk through the architecture, like what we have made and how it's working. So uh, this is my Azure services. I have made our Cosmos DB, one Azure app for deploying our front page, our IoT service, uh, and our one stream analytic job and our blob storage. To explain it in more detail, I'd like to show you I'd like to show you my my architecture diagram. So the data starts from Python sensor, uh, and it runs in a simultaneously, and each pretend to be a physical server devices. Every 10 seconds each device sends a JSON message, as you can see here. Every 10 seconds each device sends JSON message to our IoT hub, and those message has been collected by IoT Hub, and then they are with the help of connection string. I have connected my IoT Hub and Stream Analytics with each other, and they store all message. And so um, Azure, what did the Stream Analytic will do? It will read all the message continuously, and after 5 minutes, as here written, after 5 minutes, it will pass that data, like share that data to Cosmos DB. And so this process will continuously working, like as I have shown here. See, every 5 minutes, every 30 seconds or 10 seconds, there is a data coming continuously, and that data is coming from our Python of our backend. It is collected by our IoT hub, and then they are going to Stream Analytic, and Stream Analytic reads that data and pass to our Cosmos DB. So what Cosmos DB will do, it will store all data and it will pass to our app services. So on our app services, we can able to see a live data on our web browser. As we can, so, so and our app service is being connected with connection string with our Cosmos DB and Stream Analytic. Even so, what about the data which already the data is passing after every 30 seconds, right? So after whatever the data has been already shown to on our app services, they like the history has been getting stored in our blob storage. So this is how our whole architecture is working. This is how our application is working. So right now I will walk through to the our uh, Azure setup, like how everything is working. So firstly we'll start from our IoT hub. This is the one of the most important uh, resources. As you can see here also, like the data is continuously coming, and you can see the change in the graph, right? uh, in this IoT service I have three registered devices, like different location. As we can see, there is Dow's Lake, Fifth Avenue, and C. uh, they all are like working and sending the Python is continuously sending them data, and they are sending to and talking with our analytic. Uh, and now other thing is our stream analytic. So this is one of the important uh, here also you can see that the data is continuously coming. So here most the py it is running three threads, like one is where the data is coming in, and this is connect input, right? So it is connected with our IoT hub, right? uh, so data is coming from IoT hub, and it is stored here. And what will be the output? So as I showed it, so our output will be our like data will be passed to Cosmos DB, and Cosmos DB will be able to store data live on our Azure app, and the rest of data, which is history, is going to be passed on our blob storage. This is how the whole application is working right now. Uh, Even the most important thing here is our query. So this is an SQL query. It reads from IoT Hub input group data, like you can see here. Like it reads IoT Hub input area, and after every 5 minutes, it will share data to our Cosmos DB, uh, and the result will be go into the out. The result will be in out as an output to our Cosmos DB and our historical blob storage. It will show. You can also see it here. It will show you ice thickness. It will show surface, snow accumulation, and external temperature. So, and the next thing will be one of the most important thing, like it will show our Cosmos DB. Let's see our Cosmos DB, like everything is going to Cosmos DB, all data is going to Cosmos DB. So where Cosmos DB share put its data, right? uh, Cosmos DB has a data explorer. uh, we can check it from here that where all our data is going. Oops, I'm in the wrong. Sorry. Yeah, here. That's the data explorer. So see, these files will continuously going to be increased as our application is running continuously. So file will also be getting increased, but you can see the data is coming to our Cosmos DB, and it will keep coming in regular intervals, like as we have said the time of 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes there will be new files of Fifth Avenue, NSE, and Dow's Lake. uh, yeah, and let's see our storage, where how's our so in storage we have a container, and here container is historical data. uh, the name of file is aggregation, and then you can able to see lots of like files, uh, and all the data is here. It's right now it's our heart, so everything we can able to access very easily right now. uh, Perfect, and let's go to our dashboard. uh, so this is our dashboard, and that will be our website. So let's see our application is running successfully or not. uh, each location will be have their own on our dashboard. I have also put what you can say, I have also put a timer, like after every 30 seconds the data will going to be yeah, change or updated. It will take some time till that I can walk through the a code like my setup. So this is my working directory right now. Our whole application is working on this file. Its name is sensor simulator. It uses IoT devices and the key functions like generate sensor reading, which creates JSON payload. Uh, and I have also created my .env file with my access connection strings. Apart from there, I have my submission file where I have put all the screenshots of how I have done my setup. I have architecture diagram too in my and yeah, the most important thing that the Rideau Canal dashboard has been deployed with the help of GitHub workflow with the action tab. Uh, yes, and is we can also walk through so server. Yeah, let's see our file is running or not right now. Yeah, so this is our dashboard running successfully. Like this is the website. Yeah, it was. So as you can see, so the last update is at 12:32. Like right now is 12:32. uh, it will refresh in 19 seconds. Like every 30 seconds there will be data coming, and data will be stored in Cosmos DB, and every 5 minutes this everything will be going to be changed because Cosmos DB will change the data, right? Here also you can see that the last hour in a graph way. uh, this shows the Dow's Lake ice thickness. This will show yellow line shows Fifth Avenue, and yes, uh, yes, as you can see, like data will be refreshed in 10 seconds, and yeah, our application is running successfully. I have explained in detail of everything about the how our application is running, which are the most important parts. Like IoT Hub collects the data from our backend, it passes to Stream Analytics. Stream Analytics read the query, read the queues, and we have put input and connected our input with connection string with IoT Hub, and then the output has been connection with our Cosmos DB and blob storage. After every 5 minutes they have the tumbling window, and then Cosmos DB shares everything with Azure App Services. I will go here in environmental variables, and I can show my environmental variables. Like as you can see, it has a Cosmos container, Cosmos database, and Cosmos endpoints. So everything is connected with connection string with our environmental variable, and here we can see our data continuously coming from our application, which is running locally also, and also running with the help of Azure services. Yeah. So thank you for seeing my application final project, and yeah, it was great.